taking a train, I saw this cool thing outside the window of the train, and I came to explore. So the train tracks are right over there, and I saw these boats underneath. You can't see from here, but some of these boats are full of mud, and what the guys were doing was they were bringing the mud up onto the road and inside trucks, inside the backs of trucks. So I want to see if I can find a better view. Yeah, I think there's a truck being loaded. I left my bike over here. I don't know if I can walk. That guy's gonna be in the way. Maybe I'll drive a bit forward and see if I can get closer. I think this guy made a poo-poo. The scoop got stuck in the electric cables, so he's turning around going the other way. Yeah, you don't want to pull those down. Hello. Hi, shop. You have coffee? Coffee? You have 3 in 1?
3 in 1.
3 dan 1, 3. 3 in 1? Yeah. Susu gula kopi. Susu gula kopi. Yeah. Can I have tolong 1?
Gimana?
Tolong 1.
Ya. Minum sini?
Ya.
Silakan duduk.
Enggak makan. Minum.
Mau ambil gambar?
Yeah, I check.
Ya?
I check.
Iya.
Down there.
Iya. Itu kadang ada kereta.
Yeah.
Kereta.
Yeah, I was on Garata. I saw, yeah.
Iya.
We'll grab some coffee here and then go see what's up. Get some seaweed here.
Itu untuk.
Okay, so finish the coffee, and don't want to go walk under this thing. Yeah, bis listrik. I go film the boat, kapalnya. All right. Google Translate is a magical tool. I don't speak much Bahasa. The shop owners didn't speak much English or no English at all, and we had a long conversation with Google Translate. So there you have it. What a time to be alive. I want to see how they carry these things up, but I think they finished for today. Aha. Hello. Hello. Right. So apparently this is fertilizer. They're throwing it up like it's nothing. Let me see this way. Gonna walk in the fertilizer a bit. Ah yeah, there they are. Crazy. Let me see this side first. Wow, it's all manual laboring. But on the other hand, if you see these guys who are doing physical labor and they eat like your typical Indonesians eat, they're absolutely ripped or shredded. So let's go see if these guys allow me to film them a little bit. This is cool. Hello. See what they are doing here. Hello. I don't know how they get the mud into the boat. I'll ask.
Naik kamera terus. Mister.
Hello.
Terus.
Wait, question.
Ya, duit. Bentar. Jalan.
Di mana kamu mengumpulkan lumpur?
Rawa Pening.
Di mana?
Rawa Pening.
There?
Rawa Pening.
Ah, okay. Cool. So they fill the truck up with mud, carrying on their head. Heavy? Heavy? How many kilogram?
30.
30? No. 30 kilogram. 30 is heavy. So they're carrying 30 kilograms on their head. Look at this skill. Woo! Dingin? Water? Dingin water? Alright, let's check out. Makasih guys. Thank you. Let's go check out. So, interesting technique. But what are you gonna do if you don't have any machinery to help you? And there's only 2 guys carrying. They're completely soaked in cold water, carrying 35 kilo bags at a time. That's hard work. Alright, I'm not sure where I should go next. I might check out the fishing shops, because there was some cool things to film as well. Let's go. Okay, I had some coffee in this place. Very cool family living here. I'm gonna take a photo in the shop.
Yeah.
Yes. Alright, how do I get there? I want to get some fish. I think I need to turn left somewhere. Maybe here. Yeah, I think this is the correct place. Hello. Let's check it out. Yeah, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Alright, it has become a tradition to get some juice, and I will. Hello. Hello. Tolong satu jus buah naga dan mangga.
Mangga.
Ya, half. It's okay?
Jadi satu apa? Sendiri. Sendiri-sendiri.
Yeah. Okay. I hope I understood what sendiri means. Let me just Google Translate quickly. Sendiri. Own. I hope. Let me just go half. Half. Setengah. I will tell her. Sorry. Can I get setengah?
Hah?
Setengah.
Setengah-setengah.
Setengah buah naga, setengah mangga.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mix together.
Satu juice, yeah.
Mix together.
Yes, mixed, yes. There it is. Mixed together. What are these? To make bubbles, I think. Soap. Alright, see you when I get my juice. Okay, before I go and see if I can get closer, there's a colorful bridge right over there. Hello. Some interesting machinery they use. Not really sure what that's all about. Does it scoop up the fish somehow? Made in Germany. Berkey DE. Let's go check out this bridge. Wide angle doesn't show the mountains in the background. Maybe it does, who knows. Got my favorite juice again. Half mango, half buanaga. Hello. What is this? Okay, if you want to get on the boat, 75,000. $150 for a bigger boat. I didn't think this was a tourist attraction. I thought I could just have some local fishermen to take me out, but I think we have to pay. Photo?
Yeah.
Okay. Local paddle boarders. They're really fast. Let's see if I can get a selfie with one of them. This guy's Olympic athlete fast. Hello. These two other guys are having a race. Who's faster? Cool beans I found the fishing place or the restaurant. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Let's go see what's up. That's where the fishermen come out. It's not meant for bules like me. They even have Facebook here. Rintok Ampul. Let's check it out. So they don't have ikan bakar here, but I hope they let me film here. These little canoes, little canoodles that they use. Water is dirty, you don't want to fall in there. Ooh. Crew. Oh, that's some skill. Fall in right away. Looks like they made these little canals that they cruise through. Not sure how much fish there is inside here, or where the water's coming from. Maybe the river from the mountains. Alright, back we go to find some fish. But that's how they catch the fish. They go cruising in the canal. Obviously the German engineered ship will get most of the fish. but I think they carry nets with them, so they can cast nets off these tiny boats. And they also have, I saw some reels, so I don't know if they use like a lure. Oh, I saw a lizard down here. Where did it go? So they use fishing lures or just the floaties. But this railroad that I took before is a very popular selfie spot. It's getting dark though, and I'm an hour away from home, so I better get going, because at night what happens is all the bugs that are flying, they fly into your eye, and most of the visors are really scratched and dirty, so you can't really use the visors. So let's go back.